Good day, children. Sai Ram. Today, I am not going to teach you any new lesson. As you all know that you are going to have your online exams starting from 27th July to 29th of July. So, exam will start from 27, 28 and 29. So 3 days you'll be having your exams. Okay, online exams. The portion and timetable has been already given to you all. Do you know that? Yes. Okay. Now, so here I am going to give you some revision on that. First, we will revise the poem. Okay, which is the poem? Poem number 1, The Morning Rush. So, we are going to do the revision of the poem first. Okay. So, first we are going to revise the poem once. Okay. Title of my poem is The Morning Rush. Into the bathroom, turn on the tap, wash away the sleepiness, splish, splosh, splash. Into the bedroom, pull on your vest, quickly, quickly, get yourself dressed. Down to the kitchen, no time to lose. Gobble up your breakfast, put on your shoes. Back to the bathroom, squeeze out the paste. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, no time to waste. Look in the mirror, comb your hair. Hurry, scurry, down the stairs. Pick your school bag up off the floor. Grab your coat and out through the door. Written by John Foster. Okay, now in this video I am going to tell you which type of questions you are going to get and how you all are going to solve it. Okay? The questions you will be getting in the form of multiple choice questions, that is MCQ, multiple choice questions. Now you'll be thinking, what is multiple choice questions? Multiple choice questions means you will be getting questions and an answer. In answer you will be getting choices, 2 or 3 choices in the answer. You will be reading the question properly. Okay, and then you will be clicking on one correct answer only. If there are 3 answers, 3 options given, then you have to click only on the one correct option. You are not going to click on the 3 or on all the 2 options. So only one correct answer option you are going to click. Okay. You will be getting this form of questions and you have to click on the right option. Now I will start with the first question. Okay. First one is, choose the correct rhyming word for the following from the given options. So we'll be getting this type of questions. Okay, the head question will be there and then the question and the options. Okay, now again I'm repeating the head question. Choose the correct rhyming word for the following from the given options. Now here a rhyming word is given, one rhyming word, and you have to choose the correct rhyming word for the given in the question. Now what is the first one? Stare. What is the word? Stare. Now you have to find the correct rhyming word for stare. Now you can see two options, two answers are given. Now you have to choose the correct rhyming word for this given word. Okay. Now we have to see stare. The word is stare. Now which word we can give for this rhyming word? Have or hair? Have or have? Have or hair? Okay. Stare, have, stare, have. Will that rhyming word suit for the stare? No. Then we'll see hair. Stare, hair. Will this rhyming word suit for this word? Stare, hair. See the sound. Stare, have. No. Stare, hair. Yes. Stare, hair. So you are going to click on the second option. Second option. Okay. Stare, hair. So which is the rhyming word for stare? Is hair. Okay. You are not going to click on both the answers. Only one correct option, one correct answer you are going to select. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. B. Coat. Which is the word given here? Coat. Now we have to find the correct rhyming word for coat. Two options are given. Boat and bore. Boat and bore. Now see, coat. Will boat be the correct option? We'll see. Coat, boat. Coat, boat. Is it right? Boat is the correct option or bore is the correct option? We'll see bore also. Okay. Coat, bore. Coat, bore. Doesn't sound properly, right? It doesn't rhyme. Coat doesn't rhyme for the bore. Okay. So, which will be the correct answer? Coat, boat. Coat, boat. We'll see. Now click on boat. Click on boat. So your answer is boat. Understood? Coat, boat. We'll go to the next question. Again, C question, door. Now we have to find the correct rhyming word for door. Two options are given, floor and four. Floor and four. Now door, floor. Door, floor. Or door, four. Or door, four. Come on, tell me which is the correct rhyming word for door. Yes, it is floor. Door, floor. Door, floor. Okay. Now next question. D. Waste. Waste. Two options are given. Rest and paste. Rest and paste. Now which is the correct option? Correct answer for waste? We'll see. Waste or rest? Waste or rest? Waste or rest? Is it correct? Rest is correct for waste? No. Then we will see paste. Waste, paste. Yes, waste, paste. So which is the correct option? Paste. So click on paste. So paste is the correct option, correct answer. Okay, well done children. Now such type of questions will be asked in the paper. So you have to read the question properly and click on the correct options. Okay. Next question is choose the correct answer from the given options. Choose the correct answer from the given options. A question. Now it is question answers. You have to give one word answer. Where did the boy go to wash away his sleepiness? So this question is from the poem. Where did the boy go to wash away his sleepiness? So when you wake up in the morning, where do you go to wash your face? Wash your sleepiness. The options are kitchen, bathroom and bedroom. So do you go to kitchen to wash away your sleepiness, to wash your face? Then we want to know, where did the boy go to wash away sleepiness? Think, when he woke up, when the boy woke up in the morning, first where did he go? Did he go to kitchen? Did he go to bathroom? Or did he go to bedroom? Come on, think and give the answer. Kitchen? No. Bathroom? Yes. So what will you do? So bathroom is the correct answer. So you are going to click on bathroom. Okay. Click on bathroom. So your 3 options are given. 3 answers are given. You are not going to click on all the 3 answers. Then your answer will be wrong. Okay. So you are going to think, read the question 2-3 times and then click on the correct answer. Okay. Shall we go to the next question? Yes. Now B question. What did the boy carry on his back while going to school? What did the boy carry on his back while going to school? What did he carry on his back when he went to school? In a hurry, carried something on his back. What did he carry? Did he carry a bag, a water bottle or a basket? What did the boy carry on his back while going to school? The answers are, 3 options are given. First one is bag, water bottle, then basket. First one is bag, then water bottle, then basket. So which is the correct answer in this? What did he carry on his bag? Yes? Bag. He carried bag. So what are you going to do? You are going to click on bag. Okay? Very good, children. We'll go to the next question. Question number C. Question C. Where did the boy go to get himself dressed? Where did the boy go to get himself dressed? Come on. Where did he go to get himself dressed? He wants to get ready for his school, na? So he has to wear his school uniform. So where did he go? Did he go to bathroom? Did he go to kitchen? Or did he go to bedroom? Think and tell me the answer. Where did the boy go to get himself dressed? Did he go to bathroom? Did he go to kitchen? Or did he go to bedroom? Do you go to bathroom to dress up? No. Did you go in kitchen? No. Then where do you go? Go in the bedroom. So which is the correct answer? Bedroom. So where you are going to click on? Bedroom. So click on bedroom. So bedroom is our answer. Okay. So did you understand, children, how to solve this paper? Again I am repeating. Here questions will be given and options. 2 options, 3 options or more than that. And you have to read the question properly, nicely and think of the answer and then click on the correct option. You are not going to click on all the options. Only one option you are going to click. Okay, is it clear? Very good. Now, next question. D. When did the boy wake up to get ready for the school? When did the boy wake up to get ready for the school? So when did he get up? Morning, evening or afternoon? Morning, evening or afternoon? He wanted to go to school, na? So when did he wake up? Did he wake up in the morning or in the evening or in the afternoon? Come on, think and tell me the answer. Yes, he woke up in the morning. So you'll click on morning. Morning option you are going to click. Okay? So you'll get the correct answer. Right? Next. Now we are finished with poem number 1 on the morning rush revision. Now we are going to start with lesson number 2 on the coconut tree. So we have one poem and one lesson for your unit test exam. And new voices, poem number 1 and lesson number 2 for your first unit test online exam. Okay, now we are going to start with lesson number 2 on the coconut tree revision. Okay, first we are going to do the reading. Okay, lesson number 2 on the coconut tree. This is Grandma's house. She lives in a big house. There is a coconut tree. Raju, don't climb the tree. Raju does not listen to Grandma. He climbs the tree. Thud, a coconut falls on the ground. Raju starts crying in fear. Grandma comes out. There's a monkey on the tree. Raju looks at the monkey and smiles. Okay? So we are done reading. Once we are done the reading of lesson number 2. Now we'll start with the revision of this lesson. Here again multiple choice questions. Okay. Choose the correct frame sentence for the following from the given options. Choose the correct frame sentence for the following from the given options. The word is given, listen. Now here two sentences are given. Two sentences are framed here. And you have to choose the correct sentence for this given word. Which is the word? Listen. Okay. I will read the options. First one is Rohan always obeys his parents. Rohan always obeys his parents. Second option is Rohan always listen to his parents. Rohan always listen to his parents. Now here two sentences are framed, but we have to choose the correct sentence for the given word. The given word is listen. So the sentence should be on listen. Now the see first sentence, Rohan always obeys his parents. Now can you see, as before also I had told you, the word which is told to frame the word on which we have to frame sentence, that word should be there in that sentence. Now see the first word sentence, Rohan always obeys his parents. Can you see listen word in that sentence? Listen word is there? No. So will that sentence be correct? No. Why? Because we have to frame sentence on listen. If that listen word is not there in the sentence, means your sentence is wrong. Understood? Now we go to the second option. Rohan always listen to his parents. Rohan always listen to his parents. Now in this sentence, see whether listen word is there. Yes, it is there. That means this sentence is correct for this word. Is it clear? So which option you are going to click? First one or second one? Yes, we are going to click on the second option. So Rohan always listen to his parents. So children, think and then click on the correct option. Okay? Read the question properly, think, understand, and then click the answer. Okay? We'll go to the next sentence, next word. Next word is on. So frame sentence on. The first sentence is, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. Second sentence is, the book is under the table. The book is under the table. So now just see whether which sentence on word is there. First sentence or second sentence. Children, both sentence which is framed is correct, but the word on should be there in the sentence. Okay. Now see in which sentence on word is there. First sentence or second sentence? Yes, on the first sentence. So the book is on the table. On word is there? Yes. See the second, the book is under the table. On is there in the sentence? No. So which is the correct sentence? The book is on the table. That is first one. So click on the first sentence. The book is on the table. Understood? Next question. C. Big. My house is very small. First one is, my house is very small. Second sentence is, my house is very big. Second sentence is, my house is very big. So you have to frame sentence on big. So see which sentence has got big word. First one or second one? My house is very small or my house is very big? Yes? Yes. On the second sentence is correct. My house is very big. So you are going to click on my house is very big. Is it clear to you all? Understood? So children, is it clear? I am repeating again. You don't have to type anything. You have to just read the question 2-3 times. Think properly and then select the correct answer by clicking on that answer. Only one answer you have to click, not more than one. Okay? We will continue with the revision in the next video. Till then, prepare well for your online exam. Bye. Have a good day. Sai Ram.